So this is the test for Aroid's odometry. So this robot can accurately measure how far it has traveled just from these sensors. So what these sensors are, these are brake beam sensors that use infrared lights. So how they work is basically the motors have a slotted disc encoders. So these slots make the IR beam from the sensor break, and this triggers a counter. So as you can see, when the slot passes through the infrared sensor, it makes it pass through. When it blocks it, the LED turns off. So as you can see, when I rotate this wheel, the LEDs on the sensors blink. So for more accurate description of how these things work, I would encourage you guys to read the optosensors part in the sensors chapter for MIT Robotics Primer. So for this test, what I'm trying to do is make this robot travel 100 centimeter. So I have a measuring tape here, which is extended to 39 inches. That's roughly 100 centimeters and 1 meter. So Aroid should basically travel from here to the end of the tape. So to do that, I would send a command saying set target distance 100 centimeters, and it should do it at the speed of 200. So as you see here, set target distance 100, speed of 200. So when I hit send, Aroid should start moving and do its job. So Aroid started moving and it stopped. It went a bit ahead of its distance, but I think, oh no, it didn't. It moved, I think there's just an error of about 3 to 5 centimeters. But yeah, that was just a perspective thing. If we look from here, it did cover 100 centimeters. So that looks pretty promising. Let's move the robot back 100 centimeters. So what I would do is set the target distance 100 and set the velocity to negative 200. And I hit send. Aroid moves to its original position and flawlessly. So there's a bit of error. I'm pretty sure that's caused by imprecise measurement of the circumference of the wheels. Plus, these are rubber wheels, so they get deformed when they have some weight on it. And when I measured the circumference, the measurement was taken without any weights on the wheels. So that can be a potential cause of error. But we can add or subtract the error because it's constant. As you see, it moved back to the original position without an issue. So I think Aroid passed this test.